Okay, class. Good afternoon to each and every one of you. So, I know you are at home right now. No, I know you are at home right now. We're in. Uh, the classes was suspended a moment ago at 10 a.m. because of the smog that is here in the NCR, including in the Tagaytay, Batangas, and Cavite. So just please stay at home and don't go anywhere else. And then just watch TV or study your lessons. And but please no, please disseminate the information that that your classmate in a professional elective too, which is Python programming. They must see this video so that by next meeting we will have another activity. Okay, it's good that we have an activity right now wherein it is online, because in our classroom I don't have internet. No, it's good that we have internet right now as a class. No, because right now it's face to face, this week is face to face. So what we will do right now is we will try to download Python from python.org. But please do not use PyCharm. They are saying PyCharm is good, but it is a trial version. You can download it in uTorrent or in any free torrents, but that will be a cracked version. So if you will use Python, if you want to learn Python, use python.org. Okay, that is the best thing to do. So if you don't have a computer, laptop, no, you can download in Google Play or Play Store Pyroid, wherein it runs on your cell phone. Okay, so that's it. No, so what we will do right now is we will download Python. Okay, so we will go to. I have so many mistakes since this morning because we are being asked by our dearest dean to make a video of our classes. No, right now we are not here in the CTAX faculty. We are not sleeping here. We are still doing our work, even though there's no more classes. Now we are obliged to do it because according to the dean, no, we must render service because we are being paid right now. No, so what we will do is right now install Python from python.org. So hey class, python.org. Hey class. So go here to this website here, python.org. No? So you will notice here that this is python.org. So go to downloads. So hey class, if you click all download the latest version of Windows. This is for Windows, also for Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and other operating systems. So we will download Python for Windows. Okay? So that's it class, it's finished the downloading. Now let's close the window. Let's go to download folder. I am having so many trial and error in making this video possible. No, a moment ago I downloaded EOS screen capture, but it only record video for around 1 minute. So there's a problem. How many times did I repeat this recording? So maybe around this is the 4th time. Okay, go to downloads. This one, there will be no more error right now because trial and error. You know class, now if you will create a program, it is always trial and error. It's good that we are not doctors. It's good that we are not nurses. We cannot do trial and error in treating a human being. We cannot do trial and error as a nurse or as a doctor in treating a human being. No, it's good that we are used doing computers here, even though there will be errors. It is okay to create trial and error. So it is being downloaded here right now. If you will see, no? Click this one. Right click. Run as administrator. Gutom na ako, class, ha? Gutom na ako. No? Kasi nga, dahil sa trial and error na nangyayari ngayon. So, use admin privileges, no? Add python.exe to the path. So, customize installation. Click this one. So, next. Just press next. Then, install Python for all users so that other users can use it even if there will be another user in your computer. Install. So, this will take around maybe 3 minutes to do, no? Or 4 minutes to do. 4 minutes to install. So in your Google Classroom, I have attached there our first. It is in Microsoft Word, no? Just try. There's a source code there, not many source code of Python Python programs, no? Please do it in your Phytoid or in your Python in your computer. So class, no? Python is a Python.org is a compiler. Even Phyroid is a compiler. Phyroid is PyCharm is also a compiler. No, these programs are compiler of Python. It's good that this is not a human being that I'm doing. I'm having a mistake, no? Or else all of my patients will be dead right now. It's good that I'm working only with computers. So this one, this screen capture that right now that I'm using is a cracked version. I downloaded from uTorrent. No, a moment ago I downloaded from an official site. No, it is a licensed version, but it is only you doing around 2 minutes of video that we can record. But right now here it's unlimited. But I have a problem regarding the operation. So right now I corrected myself. I know now how to use this program. It is called EOS Screen Capture, or that program. Okay. You will see here, class, you will see here EOS US record experts 2.8.1 portable, no? So if that's it, it's finished, no? The installation is already finished. Setup was successful. Close. So the first thing we do, no? The first thing we will do is I will just close this screen. I-close ko muna tong screen na to. Type Python here. Type Python. So this is Python. Now, okay. So what we will do here is let's do our first program. Python. No, Python. Sorry, not Python. Print. This is a compiler, tawag dito ay Python compiler. Print. Sorry. Close ko muna ulit. Wait lang, Close ko lang ulit. Sorry, class, Python here, class. Oh, nagkakamali pa ako ng pag-code. Wait lang, class, Ito na, typographical error lagi. Print yan. Tapos In Python class, no, it is not like, for example, if you will make a program in Java, if you will make a program in C++ or C Sharp or C language or Pascal, no, or VB.NET or C Sharp.NET, no. In comparing it to Python, there's no, you don't need to declare the libraries, no. You directly go to the code or to the operation of the code. Like for example, if you will make a, if you want to display hello world, what you will do is just type print, and then hello world. Yan lang class. Ayan na yung hello world, no? So for example, another one, print I love you. I love PLMod, for example. Okay, again. Print. Ulit. Nagkakaroon ako ng typographical error. Hindi ko natatype ng mabuti yung keyboard. Ayan class, no? Ano kulang niya? Ito yata yung kulang. I-close lang natin uli, close lang natin uli. No? So here class, Python. Here class, no? Print. Hello world. Yan class, hello world. Print I love you, for example. Yan class, no? Ayan. Ayan ang pinaka first program natin. Okay? So this is the console line interface of Python. No? How there is another thing that we can do, no? If there are so many lines of code that we will type, what shall we do? No? What shall we do? So we go to Notepad. That is the thing that we will do. Okay? So type here, search Notepad. Click Notepad. Here class, no? For example here, class, for example here, print. This is Notepad, if there will be multiple lines of code, this is the proper thing to do. Ayan class, no? So we will save this as Pochi, the name of my German Shepherd dog. All files, Pochi. No? Class, remember that it should not be in text file, but it should be in all files here. Remember, all files, because if you click text file here, it will become text. No, naintindihan nyo? Text file siya. So all files ang gamitin natin. So all files, and don't forget pochi.py. Don't forget .py. Py for Python. Like for example, if it is HTML file, it will be .html. If it is a CSS file, cascading style sheet, it will be .css. If it will be PHP, it will be .php. Naintindihan nyo? If it will be VB.NET, it will be .bb. If it will be C Sharp, it will be .c. If it will be Java, .java. Naintindihan nyo class? Sa Python, .py. No? Save. Ayan class, i-run na natin yung program. No? So what you will do, click the folder here, no, click the folder, and then go to desktop. I have saved the doc. I have made the folder in desktop, which is this Trinity Python here. Ayan, class, no. Click here, class, no. Click, no. Click beside the URL or the search engine or the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. I-click nyo dyan, and then type CMD, and then press enter. And then what you will do, no? Python, ano pangalan? Pochi, the name of my dog, no? Pochi.py, no? Enter. Ayan, class. Nag-run na yung program. We have the first program. Okay, other than this, no? Now, for example, we will create another program here, no? Here, class, we will create another program. For example, name. It will ask for a name, no? And then here, class, yes, sir. What is it, sir? Hello? Ano yan? Ha? Sorry. Wala eh. Wala siya dito eh. Hintayin mo na lang. Iyo. So, here, class, no? Input. Enter your username. Yan. Enter your username. Yan, class. Then, so here, class, what you will do here, print equals. So here, class, will be not equals, no? Print, yun lang. Print lang. Here, class, no? I love you. I love you. Enter, class. Then here, class, will be name. Name. Ayan, class. What will happen here is that the variable of input, enter your username, if the program, if it will ask a data, no, you should use input, no? Input, then open parenthesis, double quote, enter your username, and then double quote, close by parenthesis. So you should make a variable for that. Then the variable is name. So print I love you Rommel, for example, like that, no? So we will save it as file, save as, no? This should be, again, here, class, if you will click here, all files, this should be what do you call that? This should be save as type here should be all files. No, all files. And then the name of my other dog, which is Aspin, no? Wait lang. What happened? Wait lang, class, wait lang. The name of my other dog is Aspin, no? Lucky. Lucky.py, no? And then save. So we will run this program, okay? We will go to the folder, again, desktop, and then Trinity Python. Here, class, click this one, CMD again for command line interface. Here, class, this will be Python lucky.py. Enter your name, enter your username. So my name is, for example, here, class, will be Fidel. So what will be the output? I love you, Fidel. Naintindihan, class? Naintindihan? So again, let's run the program again. Python lucky.py, no? And then what we will do is enter your username, no? Enter your username. For example, here will be Angelita, the name of my mother, my dearest mother, my beloved mother. Angelita, okay? I love you, Angelita. Okay, that will be the output. Naintindihan niyo, class? So this is our first program, no? You will be amazed, no, that there is only 2 lines of code to create this program, no? In a Python class, if you use Python as a means of doing a program, because Python, as we will continue by next week, by next meeting, our discussion, Python can be used as a means of creating websites, as a means of creating robotics, as a means of creating, if you can create websites with Python, you can also create, you can also program an Android using Python, no? You can create a program in Python using Android, no? And you can create a program in Android using Python, because it can also create websites. Alam naman natin yung mga websites ngayon, mga progressive na yan. Pag nakagawa ka ng website sa PC, dapat adaptable din yan sa cellphones or sa tablet or sa laptop, no? Kailangan progressive. At pag nag-code tayo doon, no? Pag nag-code tayo, automatic na yun magiging, kung mag-program ka lang sa computer mo, dapat automatic na yun mag-a-adapt sa cellphone. Ganun yung mga ano ngayon, mga website no? Pag nag-code ka sa isang, kanya, for example, ang ginagamit mong program ay any program na bago ngayon, mga 4th generation na mga programming languages katulad ng C#, those things, mga PHP, dapat adaptable din siya sa cellphone, no? Ayun yon. Hindi siya dapat na sa PC lang umaandar. Kita niyo yung website ng PLMOL, di ba? Nagagamit natin sa computer, sa desktop, nagagamit natin sa tablet, at nagagamit din natin sa cellphone. Adaptable siya, progressive siya. Naintindihan niyo, class? Kaya itong program na to, Python, pwede rin siya sa paggawa ng website, no? Pwede siya sa robotics, pwede siya sa data science, pwede siya sa mga computation, lalo na sa computation, class, no? Kasi nga little line of code lang kakagawa na ng malaking bagay, lalo na yung mga mathematicians. Kung mathematicians ka, dapat ang ginagamit mo ay Python as a means of data science, no? As a means of being a data analyst. Naintindihan, class? Naintindihan? Ba't ba ako nakikipag-usap sa inyo? Nagre-record lang naman ako ng video dito. Kala ko synchronous. Oh God. Sir Mark, kala ko synchronous sa klase ko dito. Synchronous pala, nagre-record lang ako ng video. Ay, lalo. Okay. Class, sorry nagre-record ako ng video dito. Hindi to synchronous class. Asynchronous class to. Okay? Tingnan mo, sir, oh, ayun lang. Synchronous class. Asynchronous class to, pero synchronous class kala ko. Okay. Okay, that's it, class. Goodbye to each and every one of you. I love you all, my dear students. I love you all. Take care. Love you. Stay at home. Stay at home. Stay at home. Bless you all. I love you all.